Okay, guys, this GA4 is causing a lot of issues for the old school Google Analytics guys, which we got certified long back, 10 years back. Anyways, so I had a particular issue that how to find that which GA4 tag is installed in any website. Now, if you will use any tag manager, say tag assistant legacy, if I'll enable it, most of the people are still using Google Tag Assistant legacy. Okay, and this extension is no longer supported, but still it will give you the codes that what are the tags which are installed. Okay, so if I am gonna say refresh, it's gonna pull all the tags. This video is quite technical because it is for the people who want to understand which tags are installed. So now it is giving you this. So in universal, the id was there directly. Okay. Okay, so yeah. So, so this is another. You can have this thing. I'll copy it. I'll paste it in the description also. This debugger will give you all the tags which are installed. Now the problem with this is in Universal Analytics you could easily see what kind of ID is there and you can match it. But in the new GA4, this is quite difficult. Like say I'm here and if I'll go by the standard route, let me go to the admin. And before it was like we used to go to the property and property details, and this is the property id. So I was searching for this property id over here by using any kind of analytics tag code. So I should have got this particular id because in UA it was simple universal analytics, but with this it is giving you something different which is called data stream. Okay, now I will tell you what is data stream. They are not that simple, guys. Now, what you have to do, you have to go to admin again, go to the data streams column. Let me close my face. This is creating an issue. Okay. So here again, I will show you so that it would be easier for you. You have to go to the admin. Okay. In the admin, if you will see, this is the panel of the admin. In this, you have to go to data streams. In data streams, if you will click over here, it will give you this ID, measurement ID. So stream ID and the measurement ID. You have to just see if this particular ID is over there or not. So if I'll go to my website and I'll see this, see 938. So this is there. I'm not sure about. Yeah, see global site tag. We have to see gtag.js 938. So it's not giving us the code which we install while installing GA4. It is giving us a measurement ID. Maybe this is because we can have multiple measurement IDs which will define the thing in but the measurement ID is same. I don't know what is the main purpose. Maybe we could add more IDs to it because GA4 is much more advanced than the normal one. So this is how you basically see that whether your code is installed on any website, GA4 code is installed and which is there, because in big websites in a big companies, these there are multiple analytic codes which are installed. Okay, when there are multiple analytic codes installed, it's quite difficult for us to see whether it is working right or not. So that was it. Okay, and that's it. Point is, like, I was facing this issue, I couldn't find any solution to the problem, so that's why I created this video. Okay, thanks guys. You can subscribe if you want. If you don't want much time.